All right, so stats this is a quick introduction to your 8-1 activity. I'm a great free throw shooter. Kind of a personal story, if I don't say so myself. So this is an activity you and your classmates will perform a simulation to test a claim about a population proportion. A basketball player claims to make 80% of the free throws that he attempts. That is, he claims P equals 0.80, where P is the true proportion of free throws he will make in the long run. We suspect that he is exaggerating. Never do I exaggerate. Suppose the player shoots 50 free throws and makes 32 of them. His sample proportion of made shots is P hat equals 32 over 50 is 0.64. This result gives some evidence that the player makes less than 80% of his free throws in the long run. But do we have convincing evidence that P is less than 0.80? Or is it plausible that an 80% shooter can have a performance that's poor by chance alone, right? You can use a simulation to find out. So again, the idea is, was this just one bad day? Or, this not happen very often. So the fact that it did happen, maybe he's not that great a free throw shooter. Well, let's see. Click on the underlying link to access a random number generator. All right. There we go. Generate 50 numbers between 1 and 10. All right, so generate 50 numbers. Let me close this, whatever. Cookies. Between 1 and 10. All right. Okay, format, that's fine. All right, get the numbers. Okay, there's my numbers. All right, so it says, let the numbers 1 through 8 represent a made shot, and the numbers 9 through 10 represent a missed shot. Count the number of times a number 1 through 8 appears. Compute a sample proportion P hat of made shots in your simulation. Repeat this process 5 times so that you have 5 P values. List your P values below. List your 5 values below. Hint, it may be easier in less time to count the number 9s and 10s and subtract from 50. So I'm going to do it that way because I'm smart, right? Because why would I count 8 possible numbers when I can only count 2 possible numbers? All right, so let's count, right? I'm counting 9s and 10s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this guy missed 13 times this round. Okay, so 50 minus 13 is 37 makes. 37 out of 50 is 0.74. Okay, so that'd be my first P hat value. So I'm going to do that 5 total times. So I have to come back here and click again, and it'll give me a new set of numbers, and I'll count again. Here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this time I only missed 5 free throws. So 50 minus 5 is 45. 45 divided by 50 is 0.90. There we go. Okay, got to do it 5 times. Then on the next question, we have created a simulation, a sampling distribution, 50 SRSs of size 50. So again, you're supposed to answer these 2 questions. All right, so have fun, good luck. Hopefully this gets you, interested in section 8.1.